Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have the correct 25-character product key and the matching Windows 11 edition. Open Settings, go to System, then About to verify edition. This matters because keys are edition-specific. Once done, sign in with a local admin account and make sure you have an active internet connection for online validation. Now navigate to Settings System Activation to begin. This is the first actionable step, so proceed immediately to enter the key and continue. You now type the 25-character key precisely into Change Product Key. Use the hyphens as shown and then press Enter. Windows attempts online validation, and you should watch for success or specific error codes. These explain why activation may not complete. If online activation fails, make sure date and time are correct, then try SLU4 for phone activation or troubleshoot network settings. Once validated, Windows will update activation status. Make sure the edition matches, and you see Windows is activated. You finish by confirming the activation status in Settings. Look for Windows is activated and the edition name. If you have a Microsoft account, link the digital license. This simplifies reactivation after hardware changes. Make sure to reboot if prompted and verify updates to ensure stability. If activation still fails, run the activation troubleshooter from the same page, take note of any error code, and contact Microsoft support with that code. This single troubleshooting tip will speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.